Today's workout is all about fixing posture. So if we want to get rid of those rounded shoulders, humpback, we want to get nice and tall upper body posture, then you're going to love this. So how it's going to work, I've put together this routine with different posture exercises. We're going to do it together in real time. We're going to start with a little bit of warming up and mobility through the shoulders. We'll do the workout and then we'll finish with some lovely stretches. So if you're ready to go from this to that, let's get started. So the first part is just a quick little bit of mobility, so just follow along. First move, just give me 6 of these shoulder rotations, so you're just circling the arm up and around. That's good. So we're just going for 6 of these. Now the next one, 6 long arm swings, and remember, if you'd prefer not to have me talking and coaching, you can simply hit the mute button. Now we'll go 6 of these open arms, and this is just going to help to just warm up through the muscles we're working and just to help to mobilize the joints we're going to be using. So if you're ready, we're going to start with your posture workout. I'm just going to preview you first move. So just watch what we're doing so you can just see this is going to be exercise number 1. So let's get ready. Come into position, have your knees slightly bent, tummy pulled in, thumbs pointing up, and now I want you just to open and close. You're going to be doing this for a duration of 20 seconds, then we're going to relax the arms. So really focus on your fullest range of motion. Imagine you're trying to get your shoulder blades to squeeze together as you take your arms back. Just keep going. All right, well done. So now just relax your arms. And you can just see here, the next move coming up, we're simply going to go into doing a shoulder press. So I have 10 seconds recovery. So let's get ready. And now we're going to take the arms up and draw them back, straight up and back. And the hands are going directly above your head. Then you're drawing your elbows back down to your sides, keeping that going. Always work that fullest range of motion. Extend up and back. All right, so just release those arms and then we'll have a look at the next move. So this one, we're just doing a single arm pull back. So we're just going to take both arms in front and now just extend one arm out to the side and take it as far back as feels comfortable. So what we're doing now, we're just working a little bit more on one side through that chest muscle known as the pectoralis major. Again, we're doing 20 seconds. And just release. So just relax those arms. And what we're going to do is the next exercise is going to be exactly the same on the opposite side. So you open the arm out as wide as you can. Take it as far back. That's good. And also try and keep the arms at shoulder height. Extend that back. So it's a really lovely routine. We're going to then repeat these 4 moves and then we've just got one extra posture exercise at the end. And then just release. So just release those arms, shake them out. And so we're straight back to that first move. We'll do those double thumbs up. So thumbs are up and now open and close. And today isn't about doing toning and sculpting. This is more about just really opening up those muscles that restrict us, that give us that bad posture. This is about fixing your posture. This is why we're just doing 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off. All right, well done. So now just release the arms and we'll just get ready for that next move. Again, just that shoulder press. So posture is all about holding yourself. This is why it's important that we make sure we've got really good muscular balance here. So this is where we're working on really increasing the flexibility through those tight muscles and just extend arms up and back. That's good. All the way up, work through that fullest range of motion and just release for me. So that next move, we'll go back to doing that single arm. And you will find the more often you do this, you'll have that fuller range of motion. Always make sure your knees are slightly bent, your tummy is tight. You can also do these postural exercises seated as well. And just take that round so you can see that timer bar. So again, we're really stretching through that pectorals major, that chest, your major chest muscle on there. So just relax those arms and let's get ready, come back into position. Now take that to the opposite side. And when you feel ready, you can actually move your head round so you can follow as if you're looking at the arm going back, but only do that when you feel that you're ready and you've got enough flexibility through your upper body, through your shoulder and through your neck. That's good. And reach that round and then come back. All right, so now just circle out those shoulders, just relax. So we've got a final move. So this one here, we're going to have your palms facing down this time. Just imagine you're rowing and pull both arms back as far as you can and really focus on getting those shoulder blades to squeeze together. That's good. Keep going till we've done that 20 seconds, and then we're going to focus on doing some stretching. Well done. Just release those arms, just shake them out. That's good. So now let's stretch, and with first stretch, take those arms behind and just feel that stretch through the chest. And this is really important that we do the stretches because this is really going to help to improve your posture. And the nice thing is with this routine, you can come back and do this daily. You don't always have to have the coaching on, but it's going to really help. And now take those arms in front and just get a lovely stretch just through the top of the upper back, just where we've worked today. It's important, as I said, to keep that muscular balance. And we want to keep that balance with the stretches as well. So just feel that through the back of the upper arm. And let's take that to the other side. And this is how to fix your posture. As easy as that, all in 5 minutes. High five, you did it. And do let me know if even after just doing this once, you are feeling taller and you already have better posture. Let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you with your perfect posture back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.